Welcome to this room tour of Inside Cabin 5329 on board Carnival Celebration. Let's get inside.
Starting on the left hand side of the room then, you have the room key holder which controls the lights, you have the main light switch and also the thermostat to control that temperature to your liking. And as we swing around, you'll see the room is fairly compact, but it had all that I needed for my week's stay. You will see that there is a handy reading light on both sides of the bed, and also each side of the bed has a really handy USB charger. As you can see, there is a fairly decent sized TV, which includes some complimentary films and also others that you pay a fee for. Underneath the TV is a cooler, not a chiller. If you do have any kind of medicines that you need to store chilled, then I would speak to your room attendant. You'll see there are another 4 USBs here, 2 either side and 3 US sockets in the middle. Underneath this counter then, there is a stool which you can take the lid off and it has storage space inside. You can also flip the lid on its head and you can use it as a comfortable tray for your lap. There are 3 drawers located below the counter here. The middle drawer contains the hairdryer. Moving on to the 2 double wardrobes available in this cabin then. There is lots of clever usable space in both of these wardrobes. There's lots of hanging space and lots of hangers as well. If you do need any more though, just speak to your room attendant and they'll be pleased to help you. The shelving here is very clever. They have bolts on them, so you can either have them upright so you have more hanging space, or you can undo the bolts and they drop down and you have more shelving space. Both wardrobes, left and right, have these clever shelves, so you can use the space how you want it. As you'll see, the safe is also contained here in the wardrobe, along with 2 metal baskets for further storage. On to the bathroom then, and as you can see, a fairly big mirror here. It also comes with a magnified mirror. The shower doesn't have one of those ghastly curtains. It's got a lovely glass door and it is fairly roomy. Quite a compact space in the bathroom, but plenty for what I needed it for the week. I have plenty of celebration content coming up, so be sure to subscribe and do hit that notification bell so you are notified when that content drops. That completes my tour of this room on board Carnival Celebration. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next upload. Bye now.
Dum, da, da, dum.